This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my trade on CHAINLINK today. First, let's put my charts into perspective. Here we have a candlestick area. Here's volume profile. Here is the slow stochastic indicator. Down here is the MACD. This purple line that you're seeing here, this is Camarilla Pivot S4. And this blue line that you're seeing here, this is the 200 exponential moving average. This is the 5-minute chart. This is the 15-minute chart, and everything down here correlates with everything that is up here as far as in indicators and everything. So what I was seeing this afternoon on CHAINLINK, this morning I traded Cardano, Bitcoin, took some losses on Ethereum, so I was looking for any potential positions in the afternoon or just after the close of the U.S. market. CHAINLINK, I noticed, was trading a bit weak today and have been watching it for a potential short, which I took here. What I'll bring your attention to is price action is below the 200 exponential moving average here on the 5-minute, also here on the 15-minute. Here at my entry, we are in overbought conditions, which I prefer to enter short positions in overbought conditions. MACD is pretty flat, very little buyer momentum. Here we're near the overbought conditions, but not quite there. And we have buyers in control here with momentum here at the entry. With this being S4, any price action that sells off below S4 is a signal for me to go short here, down potentially to the S6 level. We can see that since entry, CHAINLINK has been consolidating here basically just under the 200 EMA. So we'll see if sellers can sell the price off away from the 200 EMA. Ideally, and I have been watching on the 1-minute, but switched to the 5-minute, and I think I'll likely be trading off the 5-minute here for a while, but missed this particular entry because the 1-minute looks quite different than the 5-minute. But my goal now is to take entries at the 200 EMA here on the 5-minute, if at all possible. So this would have been an ideal entry. Conditions are overbought, and we can see the slow K and slow D together are here, instead of it just being the slow K here. And then we can see buyers have momentum, buyers in control here with the MACD above the average, and then sloping down and crossing over into this sell area. So I was able to take an entry here on pullback, but not quite at the 200 EMA. And we can see right now there's pullback to the 200 EMA heading into some overbought conditions, and we're pretty much flat here on the MACD with just a little bit of buyer momentum. And then here we can see here on the 15, depending on this price action here, maybe heading back to the 200 EMA on the 15, which would stop me out. My stop level is just above this candle here where I wanted to take an entry. Wanted to keep my stop tight just in case this thing wanted to come back up here on me. But we'll see how it goes. So this particular trade idea, actually this may hit my stop out right here, and if it does, that's fine. I'll consider possibly taking another entry since I'm actually at the moving average here. Let's see. Or I may wait until to see if there's contact with the 200 here on the 15 minute. But I'll keep an eye on this. We'll see how it goes. But it looks like this may stop me out here, which is fine. But yeah, this is my trade currently on CHAINLINK, and we'll see how it goes throughout the rest of the day. And this is on Tilt Trading. We'll see you next time.